This conference will now be recorded.
So last time we learned about one is product quantity commitment. Another one is product value commitment. In the purchase agreements, while creating purchase or sales, both sides, it is exactly vice versa in sales also. This is like purchase agreements is for vendor versus your company. Sales agreements is you versus your customer. Okay. So while creating this purchase agreements, so we learned two types. One is product quality commitment, and then product value commitment. Then product category value commitment we'll try to understand today. Okay, these two we learned. So this is purchase agreements. In purchase agreements, we understood like product quality commitment, product value commitment. Today we'll try to understand product category value commitment. Product category value commitment. Okay, I'm creating one purchase agreement, selecting the vendor. I'm selecting vendor 1002, and here this is you can configure as per your reporting purpose. This is not much intelligence, it is only for reporting purpose. Purchase agreement classifications. So now here we need to select product category value commitment. Okay, if you click on new lines, here we are not able to select any item because this is category value commitment. You can select the category. You can select the category. Suppose advertisement, something like suppose tuner. Here we are selecting tuner. Suppose this is 1,50,000, then 5% discount. So you need to enter expiry date. Okay, immediately it will not be available release order. You know, like fulfillment, it will show the value, the total 1,50,000, because it was not released any amount. If it is released and if it is product receipt is updated, it will update accordingly. Okay, now release order is not enabled. So what is the, can you please anyone guide me what I need to do it?
You have to go on hold, you have to do active.
Exactly. So in the header, I need to change from on hold to effective. So I need to change from on hold to effective. Okay, and then so always the best practice is like you can do confirmation. because this value we are not posting anything. This whatever you have entered, it will be stored in the history, purchase agreement confirmations, because at any point of time any person can change it. For that reason, if you do one time confirmation, it will be recorded in the system, like who did confirmation and everything. If any other person is changed in between, it will be tracked properly, because this is you have confirmed this one. Understood? So the confirmation is, it's not like mandatory, but this is for your internal purpose.
Yeah, there's only this one query I am having, like this amount you have put like 1,50,000, right? And like it is for 1 year. So suppose somebody has opened this agreement and he has changed this to 2 lakhs. So that is fine, right? We can
Yes,
update this like this.
yes, at any point of time you
No,
can modify.
so there is no issue, right, in that if
No
you
issue.
want to update within the same purchase agreement only, right? We can
Yes,
make the
yes,
changes.
yes, you can change it. So everything, if you want, you can change it, and you can track, like if you do confirmation, it will be stored inside, so that it will be tracked by how many times what you did it.
Like suppose it is 1,50,000, like after 3 months I'll change this to 3 lakhs, then again I have to do the confirmation.
So if you do confirmation, what is the benefit? Like whatever you have changed, it will be stored in a history. It will be tracked by yourself.
So it will show two different confirmation here in purchase
Suppose,
agreement, right?
yes, exactly. I will do this one only. Let me show
Okay,
you.
fine.
So I'm create. So I'm selecting here. Suppose purchase order was created. This is 525 purchase order is created. Let me go to purchase order. So 525 purchase order. Edit.
You only created a purchase agreement, right? When did you create purchase order?
Yeah, we did release order. We clicked on release order. If we click on release order, automatically purchase order will be created. Understood?
Okay, so I have a different question. So purchase order will be created several times, right? So each time you come to the purchase agreement and do release order whenever you want to create.
Exactly. Yes, you are right. You are right. So otherwise, we can select uh, purchase agreement also. I will show you.
Okay.
So automatically the percentage is captured. Okay, the percentage is captured. I have not entered. The percentage is captured, and it is available. If you go to purchase agreement, if you look at this one, it is available. Refresh. It was updated with 4,750, because out of 5,000, 5% I have given discount. Like it was automatically populated on 5% discount. Otherwise, there is one more option. If you click new, if you select vendor account 1002, for this vendor 1002, you can select purchase agreements, whatever it was exist. There are two purchase agreements which is available. One is the first one, the third, like recently today, whatever we have created, this purchase agreement is 101, that is coming automatically.
So for one vendor and one item, there is only one purchase agreement?
You can create n number of lines.
For one
Here,
vendor and one item?
Yes, here you can create any number of items. That may be
So
one, it
number
may
of
be.
items I can create. I'm saying one vendor and one item.
No, see, here you are telling like one vendor, one item means here I can select multiple also, I'm telling you. Here I can do one more agreement, one more line also here, am I right?
So
Understood.
can I create one more agreement for the same vendor and then the item 1002?
Yes, we can create, that will conflicts. Why you need to create multiple agreements? For the one vendor, you can create the same kind of items, you can create one more. If you want one more line, you can select like here. Am I right?
Yeah, yes. Okay.
Okay, I'm not creating. You can play with the system, no issues. Okay, now if you do purchase agreement, if you select, I have selected here purchase agreement. Then if you select the toner, automatically it will be captured. Say, look at this one. I'm selecting site, warehouse. Look at this one. At this point, there is no amount. If I enter site and warehouse, then automatically it will be filled. So discount will be captured automatically. Understood? Discount I have not entered, automatically it is populated. Now if you verify, if you refresh, it will show the amount included. Clear? Okay. Now,
so in the real
yeah.
time, who is going to create the purchase agreement? What position?
Purchase agreements means it is like usually purchase managers will have, see, the person may be entry by clerk also. The agreement will be done by purchase manager versus vendor. Am I right? Once the copy received by clerk, he will enter the clerk. So the clerk will be entered. Usually, this agreements discussions will be happened between the managers maybe, but normally it is like clerk will be entered, because that copy once he received, he will enter this one. This agreement, it is not only like this kind of document, they may have some terms of conditions also, whatever it is
So
there.
this is a like it's a process, right? So it's not like a one-day thing. It's a process.
Yeah. Yes.
So when we are bringing the data from legacy, they
Yeah.
already have these agreements.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Usually when they are doing business, whether like they are doing a 20-year-old ERP or like a paper-based system, this the whole the purchasing thing has already been established in their company.
Yes.
Right?
Exactly. And one more thing, that is the reason, see, for logistics, usually there will be many things you need to do as customization. As we told, like it's a process. Suppose before that there is a agreement copy of information, that copy of information also I want to document in the system, then you need to do the documentation. Am I right? There is a plenty of information inside, and then agreement terms also it is there. So I want that should be documented in the system, then you need to do a customization. So the logistics, that is the reason logistics, as per customer capability, in terms of capability means here, as per his interest in the customization, we will do customization. Otherwise I will continue paperwork, I will enter this logistics, the intelligence information in the system. So majorly logistic in the trade and logistics, it is like intelligence information will be captured in the system as a document, and normal processes, paperwork, they will maintain separately. If they have money, that paperwork also can be make it as documented in the system using customizations. Understood? Make
Okay,
sense?
so the pricing, is there any conflict with this? Is there any relationship or like, because I don't know, right? So the purchase agreement or the pricing? What about the pricing?
Okay. So this price we will discuss, definitely we'll discuss. There is some more information we'll discuss. Okay, fine.
Okay, price agreement, right? What I'm saying is the price agreement.
Yeah,
see, I buy for
is,
this
whatever
item,
you are speaking, it is trade agreements.
Yeah, exactly. I forgot that actually. Okay, it's a
we'll
different
discuss
thing.
that.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll discuss. So here, if it is quantity, you are agreeing price, am I right? And discount. Here, value means only discount.
Means price may vary every time.
It's not like price because you are entering value only here.
Okay.
These two are value commitments. Here, specific quantity. So here, whenever you are doing, look at this one. Let me show these agreements. The first one, here, quantity. The price also available and discount. Because specific quantity, item specific quantity, we have this one. Whereas these two are value agreements. Value agreements. Understood? These are value agreements. This is item, that is product value agreement. This is product category value commitment. This is quantity agreement, quantity commitment. Because if you want quantity commitment, you can use this one. So here it is price also included. Understood, Ravi?
So,
yeah. Yes.
So basically, people will use quantity commitment
Yes.
only, like mostly.
90%, 90 to 95% people will use this one. Yes.
Okay. One more thing I want, like this agreement is there for like 12 months, and every month we are doing purchase order we are creating. So every time new purchase order will create with new number, right?
Yes. Exactly.
New.
It's not
So
like
we have to.
it's not like 12 months. It may be 6 months. It may be 3 months.
Yeah,
That is
yeah.
depending upon.
For example, I'm just telling maybe quarterly or like how it will be. So every time new purchase order will create, and when we'll create on release order, that time we have to click.
Yes.
Every time we
Exactly.
have to quantity we can change every month, like.
Yes, you can change whatever the quantity you want.
So
This time I want 15. See, it's not like only monthly. It may be periodic. I mean to say here, periodic means it may be weekly, it may be bi-weekly, it may be
yeah,
10 days. As per your
so
number.
second time when we are creating purchase order, we can change quantity, and then we have to create on release order, then automatically PO will create, right?
Exactly.
Second
Suppose
time.
see,
Yeah,
yes.
this is second
So
time, like how second time what is the process, like this what? Yeah.
suppose second time you are doing, like, take the example. You can
Yeah.
enter quantity here. You are entering the quantity.
Okay.
If it is quantity and price, then it is asking you quantity select how many quantity you want every time. If it is value, it is not showing anything. That is the major change. So majority times this is the only function will be used. So actually earlier like earlier batches, I will explain this one only. I don't want to make confusion. But here in this batch, majority people are senior people. So based on the participants, my teaching will be changed. If it is junior people, like freshers are more, I will discuss this one. I will not discuss this one. They will confuse what is this means. So now here it is senior people are there. That is the reason I am discussing all. So this is the major area in general will be used in general. Okay, next. So we learned 3. Now fourth one. So I will select US 003 or something, 1003. Suppose US 102. I'm
You worked
selecting.
on retail industry as well.
Sorry?
With respect to this, you worked on retail industry as well. You worked on retail industry as well. Retail.
I'm sorry. I'm actually resonance is coming. I'm not able to understand
No,
clear question.
did you work on retail industry as well?
Retail, yeah.
No. I have not. I don't have any experience on retail, but I worked for 1 or 2 issues whenever they ask. It is there are 2 things in retail, means AX retail and POS. POS, I don't have any experience. For retail, I have 2 to 3 points like support. Whenever you are giving support, 2 to 3 points I have verified. I have given support.
With respect to the purchase department, with respect to the purchase.
No. So most probably for retail industry, okay, retail industry is completely different. So definitely I don't have any experience in retail, to be frankly. Production, I have little, but not.
Okay.
Okay.
In this retail, I'm
Okay.
having this. Retail, I'm having one more like as we are discussing. So retail, we know this retail module is there. So like as you know, we have to know trade and logistic for retail. But POS, what you told, that is different from retail module. POS.
No,
Yeah,
POS is point of sale. It is like it is.
Yeah, point of sale. So it is the
yes.
retail only now, or it will be different. That's what my query is. Like,
It is retail only. It is retail only. But POS application is a separate application. It was integrated. I mean to say, in AX 2012, the previous version in AX 2012 is X++ is the code backend, and the front end like for Dynamics AX it is X++ code, and SQL Server is the database backend. Whereas POS point of sale is .NET with SQL Server. Applications are 2 applications, and it was tightly integrated. Of course, both are from Microsoft only. It was tightly integrated. Now, what I mean to say here, see, you will find AX retail.
Yeah.
Apart from this one, there will be a separate application point of sales. That is, POS means like if you go to shopping malls, like POS will be there, am I right?
Yeah,
that is
point of sale. Yeah. That I know.
So
That's
that is not available here, am I right? It is a separate application. It should be integrated.
So my query is related to this. Like suppose in whatever the item we'll create in like where will create these items for the POS will create here only in the retail.
Here only. Yes, all are in retail. Whatever you learned, like product master release, product and everything, whatever you learned, that is the base information for retail also. For the
retail also like release order or the this product master, that item only we are using in POS also, right?
Exactly. You're right.
Or some item will create in retail module.
No.
No different item for retail, right? These are only the item for retail module also.
Yes, exactly. The base is the same. Whatever you have learned, that is the base. I mean to say,
everything is same except retail doesn't have manufacturing, right? So you just enter the products, categories, and all everything. Everything is same, exactly like this thing.
Same. So that actually means, I mean to say, master is same, transaction is different. Okay.
Yeah. Only one more query, like to see the POS, we have to retail module is basically for POS only, right?
Exactly.
So to see all the POS activity, we have to everything will get the reports and everything in retail only.
Yes. So if you want to use POS, retail is the basic. From an extension of retail is POS. Means whatever the transactions you are doing in the POS, that will be stored in the retail module.
Yeah, so I have to understand. We have to only learn retail only for POS, or we have to learn separately 2 things. That is my like basic.
No. It is retail and POS is a retail module.
Like a single module only, right? Both integrated.
Because if you are this T&L, you are learning procurement and sourcing, you are learning sales and marketing, you are learning Inventory management and product information management. In the same manner, retail means it takes retail plus POS is together is a retail module.
Okay, fine. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So this is category commitment. The fourth option, value commitment. The fourth one is value commitment. Value commitment means any category you can purchase. Understood? Here value commitment means any category, the entire procurement category hierarchy, in the category hierarchy, it will be available. Understood? You can select any category. So this is specific category. This is specific item with value. This is specific item with quantity and price and discount. Value commitment is for all categories. Understood? Give me 1 second. I'm just saving this one. Okay, fine.
Yeah, so the first two we are selecting items, and last two we are not selecting items, only categories. That's it.
Yeah.
Like
Yes.
for a simple like
Exactly.
understanding.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Yes.
okay.
This is specific category. This is for all categories. That's
Okay.
it. The same logic. But in reality, majority you need this one only. This will be used a lot in reality. Okay. Understood? Any doubt in this? So I hope it is clear for you, all of you.
Yeah, it looks very simple, clear and logic.
Yes, yes. Fine. Now let us understand trade agreements. Let us understand trade agreements. So this trade agreements, the naming convention little bit change from one place to another place. What it means. So in 2009, the oldest version, AX 2009, the oldest version, the name of the field is trade agreements. Later it was changed to price and discount agreements. Earlier trade agreements, later it was changed to the name of the field, the name of the menu is changed to price and discount agreements. What it means, let me show. Here, price and discounts. Sorry, this is not this one. It is in retail actually. Let me go to procurement and sourcing. Price and discounts. Here you will find trade agreement journals. Actually, if you look at this one, here it is like price and discounts under this trade agreement journals. That's what I told. The naming convention, in some places it will be trade agreements, some places it will be price and discount agreements. Why means, actually the original name in AX 2009 it is trade agreements. Later in 2012 it was changed to price discount agreements. They are changing the naming convention. As I told you earlier, it is also a cosmetic bug, because in price and discounts there is trade agreement journals. Okay, so the naming convention, price and discount or trade agreement journals, it is available. So you can create trade agreement journals. Now this trade agreement journals here what is the difference between purchase agreements and trade agreement journals? In this, there is no commitment. There is no commitment. You are informing to your vendors or you are informing to your customers, this is the price card. This is the price card, and if you want, you can give the discount also. This is only, it's a price card only. Here, there is no commitment between you and your vendor. At the same time, there is no commitment between you and your customer. Just you are giving offer. So prices where I can enter in this trade agreement journals, what are the available? What are available means price, discount, line discount, multi-line discount, multi-line discount, and then total discount. These are the options available. Price, line discount, multi-line discount, and total discount. Then you are telling price here available, price here available, and in the item master, that is released product. In the released product, if you go to released product, product information management, released products, if you go to item released product, in this also, if you look at this one, price is available. Purchase tab, price is available. So there are 3 places prices are available. So in the purchase tab, purchase fast tab, this one is purchase fast tab, price. Price is available. So now how system will recognize which one should be selected? There is a confusion whenever I'm creating a purchase order. The price is available here, the price is available here, price is available here. Which price will be selected? Am I right? So the first priority is always agreements. Purchase agreements. If the purchase agreements exist, if you are capturing, if you are attaching that one, the purchase agreement is valid purchase agreement. Valid purchase agreement means within that timeline, whatever it is there, if it is exist, then price will be captured from here. If it is purchase agreements are not exist, then it will search for trade agreement journals. In the trade agreement journals, if the prices exist, then it will capture. If it is not exist here, then this is also not exist, then it will verify when the released product prices exist or not. If it is not there, then it will be blank. So the first priority is this one, second priority is this one, third priority is this one, if it is not exist in 3 places, then price will be blank in the purchase order. The same procedure for sales also. First, it will verify sales agreements. Once it is available, then it will capture from here. If sales agreements price is not exist, it will verify trade agreements for sales. If it is not exist, it will capture sell tab. In the sell tab, I mean, it's a fast tab. It's not like tab. In sell fast tab, the price is exist. Understood? Sales price. Sell fast tab. If price exists, it will capture. If it is not exist, then it will be blank. So the priority is like this. Understood? Clear?
Yeah, this I just want to know like the difference between this purchase agreement and price discount agreement.
Yeah, I'm
What
going to
is
discuss.
okay?
So here actually, in general, trade agreements mean, suppose if you go to any shopping mall, they will give you a price card. Suppose any restaurant, if you go to restaurant, they will give you a price card. Am I right? The menu. That is this one. Price card. Simple price card. Here you are going to do commitment. I will purchase 100 items for this specific price for this item. So you are giving commitment to your vendor. Then vendor is offering 10% discount, 15% discount. Understood? So here you are giving commitment and vendor is giving commitment. Mutual commitments. What is this mutual commitments means? You are giving commitment like I will purchase 100 items. I will purchase 200 items. Vendor is giving offer like 5%, 6%, 10%, 8%. In this, here you are telling like the vendor is telling like our customer is telling like for customer you are giving price. This is the item, this is the price. That's it. Here customer is not committing or you are not taking commitment from your customer. This is normal price card. Usually it will called price card.
But you are giving discount also, right?
Yeah, you can give. See, this is generalized discount.
Yeah, normal discount like one time, maybe one time you are purchasing from like one time vendor is there, similar to maybe you are purchasing one time, but vendor is giving you discount, like you are asking discount, the vendor is giving discount like this, right?
Yeah.
So
So this
you'll get it.
yeah, this discount is like it may be 1-day discount, it may be 10 days discount. Suppose there is a Diwali came. On Diwali, for all customers, I am giving 2% discount for all items. I can give, am I right? It is not specific to customer or specific to vendor, like specific to customer or customer group. There are many options. It is there. I will explain you, but there are a lot of information. I am going to discuss this one. But this is generalized open offer. Open offer. So actually, this agreements, trade agreements, is available from the oldest version, from 4.0, 3.0, 5.0, 6.0. All versions it is available. This one. But whereas this purchase agreements are commitment agreements, this is bulk orders. Actually, if you look at this one, this is bulk orders. You are planning to purchase bulk in different time. This is if you are planning to purchase a huge amount of items, then you will discuss with different people. Am I right? Suppose 100 laptops I need. Usually I'm purchasing 2 laptops, I'm purchasing 5 laptops, I'm selling 2 laptops, 1 laptop. This is my regular duty, regular business. Now I have received an order. I'm going to receive an order from Accenture, suppose 100 laptops. Then I will bargain with the one specific vendor, like I'm planning to purchase 100 laptops. So what is the price you are going to provide me? This is bulk orders. You have some plans and you are planning to purchase this material. This is normal. It may be here it is like you are not giving any commitment to your vendor, or at the same time your customer is not giving any commitment to you. This is normal price and discount, all whatever it is there. Okay, so what is this line discount? Line discount means what we learned generally, like each item wise discount. What is this multi-line discount means? If you purchase 2 items, what is that means? If you purchase thumbs up and like Coca-Cola, these 2, then you will get discount. If you purchase independently, you will not get discount. It is multi-line discount. This is multi-line discount means 2 different products, if you purchase you will get discount. That is multi-line discount. Total discount means it is the amount what you are purchasing, means the total bill is reached 5,000 rupees, you will get some discount. If it is reached 5,000, whether you have purchased 1 item, whether you have purchased 10 items, whether you have purchased 100 items, it is irrelevant to me.
So like is it vendor specific trade agreement?
This one here, there are multiple options. Vendor specific available, vendor group specific available, for all also available. There are many things.
But purchase agreement is only vendor specific. It's not vendor group specific.
Yes. This purchase agreement is only vendor specific. Here I can have vendor group discount, vendor group agreement for all vendors.
So generally speaking, trade agreement items price is not that much important. I guess most business go by trade agreements, I would guess.
Yes, that's what this is actually like. It is a price card, your company price card. For customers, suppose one customer is coming and he is asking like, what is the price? You need to have one price, am I right? Your company price. That is this one. If any person comes,
the item price might be an MRP kind of thing, but this is the actual price.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So this we can make it like this was MRP. This is printed MRP. On this printed MRP, you are giving some lesser price. Suppose this is, take the example of washing machines. Like otherwise, take the example mobile. Okay, in that mobile MRP price is suppose 8,500. This is MRP price, but you are offering like 8,000 rupees. You can mention like 8,500 is the amount and I'm giving 500 rupees discount. Otherwise you can offer like 8,000 is the price. That is your wish. This is MRP. This is 8,000 is the price. But if you are planning to purchase 100 mobiles, there will be an offer like 7,000 rupees only. This is, you are planning to purchase bulk. Agree with me? 100 mobiles if you are planning to purchase, you can bargain with the vendor who is going to sell. At the same time, your customer also, he will ask. Yes, please.
So am I confined to these two, the above 1 and 2? Am I confined? Let us say the new vendor came and then
there is no commitment here. There is no commitment here. It is offer price only. This is commitment. Next time, if you are doing, suppose you have committed, like you and your vendor committed, suppose 100 for 100 items, you have purchased only 50. Next time, if you are approaching that vendor, there is no trust on you. Am I right?
Okay. So let us say if a new vendor came and then he wants to buy a bulk, and I can, as a purchasing manager, I can give him, even though there is no purchase agreement between me and him, and then there is no, I mean, trade agreement, I want to give lesser price than trade agreement, then is it mandatory to create a purchase agreement? So let us say some vendor came and let us say I will supply these to you at this price, so I can buy from him.
Yeah, these all are not mandatory at all. Anything is not mandatory. This is for best practices. You are going to do it. So if you are planning to purchase, yeah, yes, please.
So I can buy for 6,000 from somebody, which actually violates these two. But I can buy, I create a purchase order without any trade agreement, purchase agreement, but I am buying him from 6,000, right?
Yes, you can, while creating a purchase order, simply you are entering like 6,000. Even it is, suppose there is agreement between you and your vendor is 7,000, suppose is capturing, you can modify, that is not an issue. You can enter directly 6,000. But see, usually if it is MRP is 8,500, no one will give you at the rate of 6,000 rupees, usually. Am I right? If it is MRP is like this, you will not. So there will be like, see, this 7,000 rupees you are purchasing regularly from one vendor. Then a new vendor came and new vendor approached you. Because that is, the company is new organization, they are purchasing heavily. At that time they will offer you like, sir, I will give you like at the rate of 6,500 only. Then you will create another agreement with that vendor. See, this bulk material you will not purchase in one day, like 100 washing machines, 100 mobiles, you will not purchase. You will take some 3 months time. Am I right? 3 months time. And I will purchase, I will take 100 for first time 20, first another time 15, another time 25, like that. I will total in 3 months period, I will try to purchase from you at the rate of 6,500 rupees for 100 items.
Okay, I have a different question. It's totally different. So do you have anything like intercompany purchase orders, purchase agreement, something like that? Do you have anything like that?
Yes, it is available in that system. In the system, it is intercompany also. That we'll discuss intercompany later. Definitely, we have that one. That we'll discuss later. So, trade agreements here. Trade agreements means here there is no commitment between you and your vendor. There is no commitment between you and your customer. Just a price. So let me show one transaction. New. Select the price. Go to inside lines. Here you can select, if you are doing purchase price, you can select purchase price for all vendors.
No, I want to interrupt you one minute, just for a second. I want to interrupt you. So while you are implementing as a functional consultant, so do you need to explain these basic things to the users? Because it is from them we need to get the requirements. Do we need to explain like this, some terminology of the T&L to the users? Is there any situation like that?
Actually, like suppose I am telling like product receipt or packing slip. Say example like, see, sales order, packing slip, customer invoice. Because you are not aware of this terminology, you are learning this terminology to discuss with this business people. They will tell like, I am facing problem at DC. While doing DC, I am getting problem. Then you should not ask what is this DC, what do you mean by DC. You should not use the word DC, it is a packing slip. He will use his own word, delivery challan, DC. But you need to understand, for understanding purpose, that is the reason major difference between finance and T&L is their terminology you are learning. Business people, they are very strong than you. They are very strong than you, but they are not aware of this product. They are not aware of this product. You are going to show them. Once you explain this application after 6 months or after 1 year, they are more strong than you. But what they don't know means like what are the setups they will not do. They will do a regular transactions only. So they know more about transactions and scenarios a lot than you, but where I need to set up those things they don't know. Suppose as I told you here, the price will be entered here. Am I right? They may not know. Whenever they are entering sales order, it is coming sales price. That's it. You know, like what is this? Suppose item group is missing. There is some issue in the item group. They don't know what it is, because this connectivity of the masters and setups, they are not expertise. You are going to be expertise. And the transactions are business scenarios. Business people know more than you, but you need to discuss with them. That is the reason we are discussing more about in T&L, more about business scenarios rather than application. Am I right? Application and business scenarios you should know. They know they know scenarios a lot, but business application means, as I told you, like there are fields like what is this like suppose item group, they are facing some problems. You know, like where is this item group? Manage inventory or manage cost. So they are not aware of this one. Where I need to map item group. Understood? So the setups and parameters they don't know. So you are going to explain. Some people, whoever is interested, the persons may learn this setups and parameters also if they have permissions. Because accountant, like suppose purchasing clerk, they will enter only purchasing related. They will not look at the sales, what is happening. But you know in and out the entire all modules. Agree with me?
Yeah.
If it is a finance, it is finance means more setups, whereas T&L little bit less setups when compared with finance. So finance consultant, that is the reason for finance one consultant should be there, but for logistics whoever is working actual business scenario, business people, they can become a business like a functional consultants. But for finance they will not. Whoever is using finance users, suppose I'm working as a AX end user as accountant from last 5 years, then even though that person should learn from me to become a finance consultant. But whereas T&L consultant, I mean to say T&L, it's not like T&L consultant, whoever is entering like stores in charge, like salesperson, purchasing clerk. Suppose I'm a data entry operator. For 2 months or for 6 months, I worked as a purchasing clerk. After 6 months, after that, I worked as a sales clerk or sales entry person. After that, I worked as a stores person. Then I learned all these things. Then I can become a logistics consultant. There is a chance. But for finance entry, data entry operator, whoever is entering like accountant, he will not become an accountant because he don't know many setups what is happening. Understood?
Okay.
Okay, fine. So now the trade agreements, here trade agreements, purchase price for all vendors for specific item, you can enter the price. Site wise, warehouse wise also, if you want, you can enter the price. I don't want this item. Suppose D006. And I can post. So while entering here, okay, dimension configuration is mandatory here for this item. Okay, we have entered. So while entering this discount, you can enter from date and to date. I'm giving offer for today and tomorrow. This is price. Okay, this is little bit lengthy actually. Just I will initiate today and I will discuss tomorrow. vendor group all, item group all. Very tricky and complex process I'm showing. So this is the first priority. This is first priority. This is second priority. This is second and third. This is fourth priority. This is 5 and 6. And this is 7 and 8. This is 9. This is the
This item group you have entered 3. That is 2. Item group.
2 and this is 2 and 3. It may be
You
2. It may be it may be 2 or it may be 3.
But both you enter 3 only.
Yes, because that is based on the setup. I will show you that one later.
Okay.
Because suppose there is out of 600 marks, 599 got one person, he will be first rank. 598 was got by 2 persons, they will give 3 rank for both. Am I right? In a class, suppose first student he got one, like out of 600 marks 599 he got, then it will be, he will be first rank. And like for 598 there are 2 persons got, then they will skip second rank and they will give third rank for both. So I will discuss this point. In detail, but this is 3, like 2 and 3. It may be 2, it may be 2. Sometimes it may be 2, then it will be 3. If it is 5 and 6, it will be 3. So this is 4. So this table I will explain. So if you are able to follow, that is fine.
We can't hear you. Your voice is not audible.
I will continue tomorrow. Okay? I'm stopping here.
Yeah. Okay, fine.